It is just a 3-step process to fix we couldn't connect to the update service Windows update error in Windows 10. Go to start icon, then click on settings. On this window, click on network and internet. Then scroll down and click on network reset. Click on reset now and click on S. Now close this and close all windows. Then on the right bottom side, right click here and click on network and internet settings. Wait for some time. Then select Ethernet and click on change adapter options. Right click here and select properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Then check this option and type here 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK. Select close and close this window. Then go to search bar and type CMD. Right click here and click on run as administrator. Now type this command net stop wuauserv and hit enter. Then type net stop cryptsvc and hit enter. Then type net stop bits and hit enter. Then type net stop msiserver and hit enter. Then type this command renc:/windows/software distribution.old and hit enter. Now type renc:/windows/system32/catron2catron2.old and hit enter. Now type net start wuauserv and hit enter. Type net start cryptsvc and hit enter. Then type net start bits and hit enter. Now type net start msiserver and hit enter. Then finally type exit to close the command prompt and just restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You are good to go.